Now, today we will see chapter 3, HCF and LCM. In the previous classes, you know what is HCF and what is LCM. Again we will revise. Now what is HCF? When we are talking H, it stands for highest, C stands for common and F stands for factor. So HCF means highest common factor. LCM, least or lowest common multiples. There is difference between factors and multiples. In the previous classes you have learned, again we will revise. Now what is a factor? A number that can divide given number exactly. What it means? Without leaving any remainder. When we divide a number and it divides it completely, so that number, that is the divisor, is called factor of given number. We will see one example. If we want to find factors of 27, we will see this 27 is divided by which numbers completely. Like when we divide 27 by 1, it will divide it complete. The quotient will be 27, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means that number has been divided completely. 27 divided by 2. When we divide 27 by 2, it will not divide it completely. We will get quotient 13 and remainder will be there. So whenever remainder is there, it means the number has not divided completely. 27 divided by 3, we will get quotient as 9. Remainder is 0 means it has divided it completely. Same 27 divided by 9. So 9 3s are 27. Quotient is 3 and remainder is 0 because it divides it completely. And 27 divided by 27, quotient will be 1. 27 ones are 27 and remainder is 0. So here you can see the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. What it means? 1, 3, 9 and 27 divide 27 completely without leaving any remainder. So these numbers are called factors of the given number. And there is one fact about factors. All the numbers have two factors, 1 and the number itself, except 1. Remaining natural numbers we are having, and each number is having at least two factor, 1 and the number itself. There could be more factors also, but at least minimum each number will be having two factors. Now we will see about what are multiples. Now we will see how to find HCF of 12 and 16. As you know, HCF means highest common factors. So first we will find out factors of 12. Means 12 is divided by, completely divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Factors of 16. 16 is completely divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are factors of 16. As it is highest common factor, so first we will write down the common factors. Common factors like in 12, 1, 2. In 16 also 1 and 2. These two are common and one more 4 is common. So the common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. And among this 1, 2, 4, 4 is the highest number or biggest number. So highest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. Highest common factor HCF equals to 4. So you can find out factors first. After finding the factors, we will separate the common factors of both the numbers, and after separating we will see which one is the greatest. That will be the highest common factor. Now we will see how to find LCM of given two numbers. least common multiples, that is LCM. To find LCM of 15 and 10, first we will find out multiples of 15. So multiples of 15 are very easy. You have to say the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150. These are the multiples of 15. Similarly, multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 and so on. Multiples are unlimited as numbers are unlimited, natural numbers are unlimited. So we can find out n number of multiples of 15, right? But as we have to find least common multiple of 15 and 10, so we will find certain till 10, like 15 tens are 150 and this multiples of 10 we have find more than 10, like 10 tens are 100, then 10 into 11, 10 into 12. In this manner we have find multiples till 150. After finding multiples of both the numbers, we have to find common multiples. Common multiples means which are in both. We have circle here, 30 is common in both, in 15's multiple also, in 10's multiples also. So in this manner we have circled the common multiples and we have written here common multiples of 15 and 10 are 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. So when we are saying lowest or least common multiple, so among this there is only 30 which is the lowest. So this is the LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. 30 is lowest common multiple of 15 and 10. So in this manner you can find out least common multiples of given